Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron, and welcome. I know I've been sort of gone, not doing this for a while. I've been just a little bit busy. And with school and traveling, and that's pretty much it. So here we are back after a while. I have so much crap accumulating that I need to do something with it. So here I am. I decided to purchase the Lunar Beauty, the Moon Spell collection. It's right here. You can see everything here. You can't really see it that well. I did get the whole the Moon Spell collection bundle. The 2 lipsticks, the lip gloss, and the palette come in here, and it was $80. So you can get the $80. I'm also looking at the website. I'll probably just put a picture right here too. You probably can see it. And then the lipsticks, the 3 of them, the 2 lipsticks are $18, and then the lip gloss is $17. So let's open it up. There we go. Open her up, and this is what she looks like. So this is the, oh my god, the little flyer. Ooh, Manny and Luscious Massacre. And I don't know who the other 2 girls are, but they look good. They look super spooky. And then it has the 3 different, the 4 different items on the back. So there you go. Showed you there. So I'll set that there. And then it has this cute little Lunar Beauty packaging. Let me just open her up. And open. Comes with bubble wrap. And then here are the 2 liquid lips and the lip gloss. And then here's the, oh, that's really cute. So set that there. So this is what it looks like. So cool. Ooh, it's like a book. It's really cool. And then you slide this off. It's it reminds me of a DVD cover. A VHS cover or DVD. That's really sturdy. So that's nice. And then here is the palette, Moon Spell color palette. Okay, and then here we go. We open it. Watch, all the shades are broken. Just kidding. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Ooh, I'm so excited. So y'all probably already seen all these shades. Nothing new. And comes with a little plasticky thing there, and I just dropped it. All good. Still there. Oh my god, I'm so rough with this right now. Yeah, so there's those. And then we're gonna have which ones are the glosses? Does it say? Lip gloss, so that's a gloss. And then these 2 are going to be, let me put them like this. Those 2 are the lipstick. So one is Witch Bitch, which is, I think that's the red one. Oh my god, if I can open it. There's Witch Bitch. Witch Bitch. And then the next one is going to be, oh, Wicked. So where's the color? It's black. So Wicked. And they go nicely with my little friends over here. Just gotta put those there. And then next, or lastly, is the lip gloss. And this is the shade Enchantment. So it's like a clear gloss. This is the gloss from the last collection, so it's definitely different. So I'm excited to play with those. So I'll do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just did my eyebrows really quick. I did them with the, where did it go? Miss Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. And then I just sort of primed my lips with the Morphe Fluidity Concealer in shade C215. And that is basically it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with this palette. Going with Winifred first, just sort of tap in like that. And just I'm gonna just use it as a base to make it, I think I'm gonna do the green on top. Just to, sort of give myself a crease or whatever. And this shade is really nice so far, so. I haven't done makeup in a while, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm just sort of doing it like that, just sort of blending it up to get close to my eyebrow. That's the first shade. That's Winifred, so then that's this one. So next I'm gonna go into Kiki. I'm gonna use a different brush so I don't mess up myself. I'm gonna use, which one's next? I'm just gonna use this little tiny little angled one. Oh, I didn't say what this brush was. This is the Jeffree Star JS6, and then this one is going to be, fuck, I don't know, the Luxie Mini Angled 131, so it's like a little, like that. I'm just gonna tap, just barely tap into Kiki, just to put it right below that, what is it, Winifred shade? Just to deepen out this little crease that I just sort of made. Just to make it just a little bit darker. Because if I look forward, you can't really see either one of the shades. So I'm just sort of making a little crease for myself. Next, I think I'm gonna go in with maybe Marnie. I'm gonna do, oh no, I kind of want to do Nancy. I like Nancy, I like Marnie. I don't know. Maybe we'll do both. So I'm tapping into Marnie and Nancy. And I'm just gonna put that basically all over. So I'm just taking, this one is Nancy right now. And then I'm gonna tap into Marnie. Marnie has a lot. So then I'm just using both shades. Just sort of blending them into that brown. And then Nancy. Just to make a greenish, what is this? I don't even know what this is called. This is my witchy look. And these, I'm just sort of just tapping them in. Then I'm gonna go back in with Kiki and just sort of do this. Just to blend those two. And I probably don't need to use any more Winifred because I don't want it to look muddy up here. And I'm just going right over it so you can see the sort of green to the brown. So I'm gonna tap into a little bit of Bonnie, which is like the bright green sort of shade. I'm just gonna sort of tap this right on top because I wanna try as many shades as I can. Which, I think the shade that I like the most is Nancy, so I'm putting a lot more of Nancy on there. There's those shades. Pretty much, that's the look I'm going for, I guess. Oh. I'm just gonna here, I think I need a little small one, this one. And I'm just gonna take Marnie, the dark green middle shade, and just sort of push it in there. And then take Nancy and just do the same. Just like that. And then I think what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna like do a cut crease or anything. I think I'm just gonna touch Hermione just a little bit and then just sort of just like tap it. Just tap it all over. Because I don't want to like cover all of it. I just want it just to, you know, show through. I think I want to touch a little bit of Mary, the darker color too, and just tap that in there as well. Just to give a little bit of gold. I'm just rubbing it in. Just so you can see all the different colors. So then I'm going to take Mary and then just sort of tap her over it because I don't want the gold to like be too concentrated. And I just want to just like that so you can sort of see the gold but it's not like blinding. I'm going to still use that same Hermione shade and put that like in the inner corner. So I'm just going to use this, what is this? This is M507 from Morphe. And I'm just tapping it into Hermione and I'm going to put that in inner corner, just so that it has like a more of a highlighted sort of spot there. And then just slightly highlight my eye, my brow bone. And that's basically, well, not basically, that's the upper eye, I guess. And I'm gonna just go ahead and do the under. I'm gonna go in with Paige and probably Sabrina. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go straight in with Winifred first, just to do the under eye. I'm like the worst at this, by the way. Let me just try to wipe out whatever I have there. Go in with Winifred and just try to get it just try to get it as the, what is it, foundation, the base. Go in with Paige. So I'm just tapping Paige on this, I don't even know what this big brush. It's like a pretty big brush. And I'm just gonna, this brush might not work. No, we're not gonna use this brush. And another one. We use this one. This little, what is this? M2321. So going into Paige, just tapping into Paige, this shade right here, and just sort of doing that. This shade's really pigmented. Ow. Like I'm like barely touching my eye. My eye's a baby. Ow, it has stabbed my eye. Great, now I'm gonna start crying. Okay, so we're just gonna stop with that one. Oh, that hurt. And go in with just a little bit of Sabrina, the darker purple shade right here. And just sort of just like barely tap it. Right there, so you can sort of see a little bit better. And then where's my little gold one? Take the same Hermione shade, the gold, and just sort of like make it come blend into the purple. Ooh, maybe I should try that other shade. Try this one, the Prue shade, to give it a little. Oh yeah. So I just added Prue. I just put Prue, just like barely tapped it on this M506, and just sort of tapped it with the gold so that it gives it a little bit more dimension. And then I'll just go in with the same Hermione shade and then tap her on there too. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, what is it, lashes, liner, and do the other eye, and I will be right back. All right, and we're back, and this is the, I guess, finished look. Well, no, not finished look. This is just the look with both eyes done and some lashes and a little bit of liner on. Only thing that I did differently with like the eyeshadow is I put just some black eyeshadow in the inner eyeliner, in the waterline. I did that, so it made it just look a little bit more sultry. And I did go ahead and use Manny's highlighter again, the, what is it, Venus? Yeah, Venus. I used Venus highlighter and just put on some lashes, and that is it. I'm just gonna put, now I'm gonna put lipstick. I think I'm gonna do the black one because, you know, I've never done black, so wicked, wicked, wicked. I don't have a black lip liner, so I'm not about to put eyeliner on my lips, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the black. Smells good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. That's black. Okay, so this is the completed look with the, what is it? The Lunar Beauty, let me move this. The Lunar Beauty Moon Spell Palette and the liquid lip, what is this? This is Wicked. And then I'll just show you guys, I guess, a swatch of, what is this one called? This one's called Witch Bitch. So I'll just put it on my hand. That's just one swipe. That's really pretty, I like that a lot. And then the gloss. So this is Enchantment. And oh, this is a thick one. So this is the gloss. It's the gloss. Can't really see it, but it's what I like to do, since I don't like to get gloss, when I change the color of my gloss, and now the gloss is glittery and my teeth are black. This is gonna be the completed look with the Moon Spell collection from Lunar Beauty, and yeah, I definitely like it. I wouldn't say this is a review because, you know, I'm not I don't know. It's more of like a try-on little first impression. Overall, the shadows blended pretty well. I used quite a bit of them. Let's see which ones I used. I used Prue, I used Paige, Sabrina, Kiki, Winifred, Bonnie, Marnie, Nancy, and Hermione. And I did touch a little bit of, I think, Mary. So out of the 15 color palette, I used 10 shades out of the 15. And now I have black lipstick all over my teeth. And yeah, this lipstick actually is making my teeth look really white. So I'm digging it. And that's the end of the video. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.